Dakota.
It's 6:40. Welcome back. Participants of the Bismarck Citizens Academy are continuing to learn how local government works. The first session of the class began in January.
That's right. And then information about public works, your community development, and the fire department are just some of the classes that are taught at this academy. And new this morning, reporter Cameron Brewer joins us to tell us about the continuation of city government education classes. Good morning, Cameron. What did you learn?
Good morning, Josh and Alicia. I joined one of the recent Citizens Academy classes offered. Participants learned about the responsibilities and duties of departments such as public health, the library, and emergency operations 911. Abby Ebach is one of 12 participants enrolled in the Bismarck Citizens Academy. She has been a faithful reader of the City Commission's agendas and minutes. By enrolling in this class, she says it has provided a more in-depth understanding of local government.
We're all here for different reasons. Some of us have been in Bismarck longer. They have worked in the community. I work in government, and so I am very interested in how that works.
The most recent session was an informal sharing of information about how the local library system and the public health departments work.
Really had the ability to share what we do on a daily basis. We're not just COVID response. There's a lot of different facets to public health in different divisions and such, and it was really a great opportunity for us to share that.
There was also a field trip to the Central Dakota Communications Center. This visit put a face on those standing by the phone lines to save lives.
I think generally there's some assumptions that when they call 911, they're talking to a police officer, or they're talking to an EMT, or they're talking to a paramedic. I think some of that is assumed on the caller's part.
I feel like I learned something new about the city, and I wanted to be a part of this group to learn more, to see how everything is interconnected, because we know that not everything is a silo.
This week, the class is at the Bismarck Police Department to learn about their daily operations. This class is expected to be completed by the end of the month, and participants will be presented with a certificate of completion.
That's really a cool idea. And, so many things that we don't know or understand, and the intricacies there. And like you said earlier, Josh, just how interrelated they are, like she said.
And Cameron, you saw Renee Mock from Public Health. Obviously, it's important for people to know what's going on that end of government because of what we've just been through, or what we're still in with the pandemic.
Definitely, especially in that area, and something that the citizens didn't even know, and I thought was interesting too, that public health, they also have control over mosquito population. So,
yes. Definitely something that we'll want to cover when that time comes. I'm not looking forward to it.